Hey guys, it's Katie and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is kind of like some of my other videos I've posted before. I'm doing how to make rings. So, the kind of rings that I'm making are these crystal rings. So I got these crystals from Michael's. You can probably get some on Amazon as well. And they look like this. And they're really pretty and I'm really excited. Disclaimer, I have never made these before, so I don't know how this is gonna work. What I'm going to be using is this wire. And then I will be using these pliers and then this wire cutter, which again, any like tool or craft store near you can probably get these from. So let's just get started. I'm gonna go in my kitchen because I don't know, that's where I'm gonna do it. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's make a ring. So I'm going to get my crystal and then I'm going to get some wire. This wire is actually thinner than the one I showed you because that one is a little too thick. I'm going to get a really long piece of wire. I'm just going to cut it. And then what would be ideal is like a pipe that's the size of your finger or a ring sizer thing, but I don't have either of those, so I'm just gonna go with my finger. So I'm going to put the crystal on the wire, and then I'm going to wrap the wire around my thumb, and I'm just going to wrap it over the crystal every time it passes the crystal. This is the end. I'm just going to tuck it under these wires. And then I'm going to tuck it back under and like coil it as many times as needed. Once I coil it around 3 times, I'm going to cut it. And then with my pliers, I'm just going to bend it. So then you have this, which honestly you could just stop right there if you wanted to. But I'm going to add a coil around it to make it stronger. So I'm just going to take a long piece of this wire, again about this long, and I'm going to just wrap it around the ring part. So might take a little while, so I'll see you guys in a second. Okay, so I did the coil and then I just put the end, I stuck it in like the same way as the wires were going, so like sideways, so that it wasn't like stabbing you or poking straight up, you know? So I think I made it a little small. This is what the coil looks like. It's not like perfect. Perfect isn't what I was going for. And then the crystal looks like that. So cute! So after that, because this isn't stainless steel, I think it's going to start to like rub off, if you know what I mean. So what I think I'm gonna do is put some clear nail polish on it so that it won't like rub off and make my fingers green. Okay? Okay, I think I'm gonna go do that right now. While I'm letting this dry, I'm going to go make another one. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this and I hope that you might be able to make rings now. Maybe, hopefully. I'll see you guys later, maybe next week. Maybe not. Okay, bye.